Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are living a healthy and peaceful life. So I've come again here in the video basically to do one English speaking practice. So today I've chosen one cue card for speaking in this video, and that is all about describing a time you have spent a lot of money on something. So this is kind of cue card, and you can actually see in this display as well. So I've wrote some sort of points which I want to describe in this video. So if you are learner of English language, so you can also do the same activity for improving your fluency and want to basically speak, so you can basically speak on it. So yeah, let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So it is a cue card practice, so which I frequently do for like for the English speaking practice. So if I talk about like I didn't basically did a lot of expensive purchase in my life, but one thing which I know was when I was uh, uh, in my schooling, I always want to basically buy some sort of I basically Apple phone, because that is very craze at that moment. And I know basically when I was completed my schooling, and then I've joined one organization where I worked for like 1 to 2 months, and over that time period, I basically bought one cell phone which is cost me around 2 months of my basically pay. And this is huge for me, and at the moment I was don't know anything about like the environment and how we should need to spend. But yeah, I do have a lot of craze. I just want to buy it because there are a lot of colleagues of mine who do actually own that, and then at that particular time that is very big demand for one cell phone. And there are basically I was a techie, and I do want to use cell phone for gaming and social media platform. And one thing which I know at the moment was that iPhone users basically don't like didn't basically get a lot of virus, or you can say there is not get hang. Basically that is why I bought it. And this is actually a lot of money I've spent after like purchasing 5 to 6 months. I realized that after buying it, its cost basically like decreases, because once you buy some sort of cell phone, so the cost of that particular phone going to be decreased in upcoming years, because that is basically after all a thing, right? A depreciation thing. So yeah, this is all about the cue card actually. And if I talk about like other things, such as if you are want to be become a English fluent learner, so you need to basically actually do English speaking for improving yourself, because that is what builds a lot of confidence. And if I see multiple YouTube videos on YouTube basically there is not much videos regarding like English practices. There are always some people who are like teaching about like sentences, vocabularies, these kind of things. But at the end, like if you're not speaking, so you cannot able to speak. So that is the most important part. So you need to basically build a habit where you are speaking at least 5 to 10 minutes a day, because that is how you will see your improvement in the future as well. So I've seen my previous videos. I just laugh on myself that what I'm speaking about. But yeah, that is the phase that everyone's will have to go through that. So yeah, that is very important. So in this video, that is it. I hope you find this video helpful. Bye bye. Have a good day.